Today, Lock and Cal explains Hyundai P1166, an open-circuit fault that can quietly distort how the engine makes decisions.
The system detects an engine indicator, uneven idle, and reduced response. Additional alerts, though unrelated, also suggest potential issues. The tricky part is, it may drive okay one day, then fail inspections or stumble the next. On rebuilt or salvage vehicles, wiring history is often the wild card behind intermittent electrical integrity problems. P1166 indicates the intake control switch reset or setup input is not maintaining a stable two-state signal reference. Electrically, the ECU expects that input to stay within known bounds, using internal biasing and shared reference paths. Because grounds and references are shared, a tiny connector issue can ripple into other signals and misleading symptoms. An open circuit means the path is effectively broken, sometimes completely, sometimes only when the wire flexes. Common causes include backed-out terminals, fretting corrosion, pin fitment problems, or damage from prior repairs. When that input drops out, the ECU may default strategies that change intake control and destabilize idle quality. Professional diagnosis starts by confirming the code and capturing the operating conditions when the fault set. Next, determine whether it's a hard fault or intermittent by stressing the harness with vibration and heat. Instead of only checking continuity, experts test under load, looking for hidden resistance and voltage drop. Pin tension and terminal fitment matter, because a loose contact can open briefly while everything still looks connected. Then you isolate the source, the switch itself, the wiring, a short to power or ground, or the ECU input. A correct repair restores OEM-grade integrity, proper terminals, sealed splices, protected routing, and stress relief. After repair, clear the fault, run a complete drive cycle, and confirm stable signals under real operating conditions. P1166 isn't just a code, it's a trust problem in the data pipeline, so prove the circuit, then verify the fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock and Cal for more content like this.